Now, who can give me an example of a human right? When we came into this community, children didn't love going to school. We needed something that was unique. Brooms down. As teachers, we know that work without play makes storm a dull boy.
First, let's go over the equipment. At all times, players must have a broom between their legs.
We all learned the game together. This weekend, Sunday, we are having the first national Quidditch tournament. Mama Mose, Kweka Kasamu Wagizi, and everybody is warming to win the trophy. But at the end of the day, we are going to have one.
Broomstick there, boy.
That is Quidditch.
Have you heard of Hermione Granger?